Welcome to another epic build by Breslow. I'm George, the project manager. Let me walk you through this amazing commercial 3-system build that we got going on. Follow me. So here we got the barbecue area set up. We incorporated our louvered roof system. Amazing flexibility when it comes to allowing sunlight in or keeping the rain out. But best part about this is check out this view right here. Let me walk you through to one of the better systems we got up here. So we got an awesome spot for a TV mounted, wall mounted up there, tucked away with ACM panels. Let me walk you through the pool area. Here we have this amazing looking E-Pay decking, all natural, ramp, ADA ramp compliant, so everybody can enjoy. Doesn't get better than this, guys. You got your pool, you got the New York skyline right behind you, you got our amazing system and lounge area. So our system here is closed, you can tell right now. What we do have going on is we're going to be installing some lights on this system too, and then we also have all the furniture layout, all these day beds that are going under here, and chairs, lounge chairs for people to relax by the pool. You got an amazing view. You have a courtyard here. You're up on the 16th floor. It's great. Stay tuned for the final product.